Hi, Rap. Turn it on. Yeah, he likes it. The ultraviolet light. Hi, Rap. How are you? Where are you going? You have to eat your food. Come on, Rap. Where are you going, Rap? I put your ultraviolet light. Are you Rap? Are you Rap? You want to sleep again because it's cold? Sleep siya dyan. Hindi sleep siya dyan. Kasi malamig. Later, it's getting hotter na yung house mo. Hello? Ayan, si Rap. Dito na sa house niya kasi pag night, nililipat niya namin dun sa kwarto kasi warm. Dito sa loob. Ay, dito sa living room kasi malamig. Ino-off namin yung heater. Kasi lahat kami sa kwarto. Ayan, nag-swimming siya. Ayan. Baka papunta na siya sa food niya. Hi, Rap. Okay. Make yourself warm. Oh, nag-swimming ata siya. Going for swimming. Hey, Rap. Kaya kain ni Rap yung kanya. Don't eat that, Rap. That's not your food.